This is an automatic cardboard tray packing machine combined with a shrink wrapping machine. The fully automatic packaging system integrates tray packing and shrink packaging, providing stable and efficient end-of-line packaging performance. The cardboard tray packing machine uses pre-cut flat cardboard to wrap and pack products into trays with a secure and stable structure. It is suitable for bottle packs, cartons, and tray-based packaging applications, offering a clean, professional, and transport-safe packaging appearance. Key features include an automatic cardboard tray packing machine, pre-cut cardboard tray forming and wrapping, PLC, and touch-screen control. Stable tray packing for bottles and cartons, and an automatic shrink wrapping system. Designed for continuous industrial packaging lines. This packaging system is widely used in beverage production, bottled water, and carbonated drinks, juice, tea, and dairy products, food, snacks, edible oil, and condiments, daily chemical products, as well as logistics and distribution centers.